how to log into Genshin Impact. Login to the Genshin Impact is a straightforward process whether you are playing on a PC, mobile device or console. So on PC, you will have to download and install Genshin Impact. If you have not already downloaded the Genshin Impact installer from the official Genshin Impact website, all you have to do is go to the web browser and search for the Genshin Impact website and follow the installation instructions. Launch the Genshin Impact from a desktop shortcut or start menu. Now on the title screen, you'll see several options for logging in. You can use MiHoYo account, Google account, Facebook account, Twitter account, Apple ID, and choose a preferred login method. After that, enter your email, username and password, and if you have enabled two-factor authentication for your account, you may need to enter a verification code and click login to access the game. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.